Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Brew with Memli. It's still summer, it's still hot, so we're going to make another iced filter coffee recipe. This time we'll show you how to brew the best iced filter coffee using the higher switch. This time, after a lot of demand, we're going to brew a iced version of the Aeropress coffee. So let's start. First and foremost, by grinding 15 grams medium coarse of a natural or honey anaerobic processed coffee, a coffee with some texture. We really need like a heavier texture for this recipe. I am using our El Salvador Los Pirineos Sudan Rume black honey process. It has really sweet flavors of tropical fruits, stone fruits, and you have some nice brown, light brown sugar as well. It's a very sweet cup of coffee. So I'm using my inverted method, 15 grams. And I'm going to have my water heated at 88 degrees with only 100 grams. So I'm going to rinse my filter first. My Aeropress is on an inverted position. Now just to allow like even mixing without any dripping. So here, let's get rid of that. And we have, and we go, we put 100 grams only. So 15 and 100. Okay. All right, after 100, I'm going to mix it well for a good 5 seconds. And immediately after, we let the timer continue. I will place my filter holder, put out all the air, and let's get rid of all the water, flip it. There we go. All right, and now you can clean the mess, if you made some like me, and wait until you reach 3 minutes of steeping. So here, why 3 minutes is because we're using a medium coarse grind size with not a lot of water, right? It's only 100 milliliter of water for 15 grams of coffee. So you need enough time for the coffee to be extracted. Same time, let's prepare our ice. I prepared 60 grams of ice. Make sure that the ice is made with the same quality of your brewed water. Otherwise, you will have a weird taste profile. And at 3 minutes, I'm going to give it a little shake and gently press it for about 30 seconds. It's for one person, so that's why I only brew 15 grams and 100 and add my 60 grams of water. Anywhere from 50 to 60, that's where you can adjust based on strength. And then I am melting those, and you have a very ice cold beverage at the end. Then you take your best cup and you enjoy this refreshing drink. As you can see, I do not put on over ice here. You can put like those larger ice cubes so that they don't melt. I don't want to melt this beverage further. As a result, because of this strength and this intense ratio, we have an actual consistency in terms of texture. Longer immersion at 88 degrees allowed us to extract the sweetness without too much bitterness. Once again, the strength coupled with the lower temperature allow enough acidity that sometimes it's forgotten or lost when the coffee is brewed cold. But here you have a very balanced cup of coffee and the lingering sweetness is incredible. Start with a great coffee, with a great natural process, honey process, anaerobics maybe, that presents enough texture with this complex fruitiness so that when you're going to chill it, it will still hold some of those complexity that is interesting with iced coffee. Then use 15 grams of coffee for 100 grams of water at 88 degrees. Steep it for 3 minutes. After you press it gently for 30 seconds, add 50 to 60 grams of ice. Mix until it all melts down and enjoy your iced Aeropress coffee. Best iced Aeropress filter I've ever had. Try it, let me know what you think. Don't hesitate to comment, share, and like this video if you find it useful. It's very helpful for us. And feel free to share your version of an iced Aeropress recipe. What can we change? What can we improve? Keen to hear some new innovation when it comes to making the best coffee possible. Thank you very much, and see you next time.